Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily change the color of app icons on your iPhone on iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes under the video, and also write your comments after watching. So dear friends, let us get down to this interesting topic. And first of all, friends, when you have already updated your iPhone to iOS 18, and let's say you would like to change the appearance of your icons on the work screen, how can you do that? For this, you will have to tap on any icon and hold. It makes absolutely no difference which icon you click on. So you press and hold. And now you need to select this Edit Home Screen option. Next, friends, as you can see, the icons start wobbling around like this, and now you need to select on the top left side, Edit. And then this second item. As you can see, there's now a little choice at the bottom as to how you can modify your icons. First of all, you can make them dark. Next, friends, you can set them to auto, dark, or light. When you switch your iPhone, that is, if your iPhone will be in light mode, the icons will be light. If the iPhone will be in dark mode, the icons will be dark. And the last option, you can click on it so you can manually customize how the icons will look. Here you can drag this slider and choose any color that you like. After that, you can also visually move another slider. Let's say I've chosen pink. And I can choose how saturated or slightly pink it will be. Once you've made all the changes, just click on the screen. And as you can see, all the icons now have this look. In this way, friends, you can change the color of your app icons on iPhone and iOS 18 very easily and quickly. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.